Hi, and welcome to Anne's Family Recipe. Today I am making a really easy and totally addicting snack for the upcoming Super Bowl. It's a barbecue snack mix. For the past couple years, I've had a lot of fun creating recipes that revolve around the actual teams playing in the Super Bowl. So the Kansas City Chiefs, who are in the Super Bowl this year, were also in it last year, so I represented them with my incredible barbecue sloppy joe recipe. So I'm gonna leave that linked in the description box for you down below. But today I kept it super simple, and not only are we honoring the Chiefs, but also the Buccaneers. I'm making a barbecue snack mix. It's just like a classic Chex Mix with a barbecue sauce flavor. It is so good. We ate almost the entire bowl in one day. So I thought the barbecue again would represent the Chiefs. And then I'm throwing in some white cheese curls, which if you are a Costco fan, you might know these as Pirate's Booty. So that is my little tribute to the Buccaneers. So I actually couldn't get my hands on the specific Pirate's Booty brand, but basically it's these really yummy, crunchy little white cheddar cheese curls. So I'm gonna toss those into the barbecue snack mix, and it is amazing. So let me show you how I made it. I'm starting with 3 cups of rice Chex and 3 cups of corn Chex. And fun fact, all the ingredients for this recipe are actually from Aldi. Next, I added 3 cups of mini pretzel twists, and it kind of made me laugh because I lost control of the pretzel bag. So cups 1 and 2 sort of spilled out right there, and then this is the 3rd cup. And my husband requested that I also add in a cup of peanuts. I was hesitant at first, but they were delicious in the final product. So this is 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and I added a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of onion powder, and then a half a cup of barbecue sauce. And after I mixed it together, I felt like it was still a little too thick to pour over the mixture, so I popped that whole thing in the microwave just for about 30 seconds, and it sort of loosened it up a little bit so it could drizzle more easily over the Chex Mix. Then I mixed all the dry ingredients together by hand, and I poured half of the barbecue sauce mixture over top and tossed it together with a rubber spatula. Then I poured the rest of it over, tossed it to coat everything evenly, and I spread it out in an even layer on a rimmed baking sheet. I had read a tip online that if you're going to add any kind of like cheese curl, cheese puff snack into a Chex Mix, add it at the end, because when you coat it in this liquidy mixture and then bake it, it just kind of changes the texture and they're not as good. So that's why the cheese curls aren't in the mixture yet, but we'll add them in once this bakes and cools. This mixture bakes at 250 degrees for about 45 to 50 minutes, and every 15 minutes I took it out and tossed it around. When I removed it from the oven after about 50 minutes, it was still a little bit tacky, but that's okay because as the mixture cools, it firms up and gets really crunchy. So once the mixture had cooled completely, I put about half of it into a large bowl, and then I added about a cup or 2 of my white cheddar cheese curls, and I tossed it together by hand, and then I added in the rest of the mixture and another layer of cheese curls, just so that everything was evenly combined. This mix has a bold, zesty barbecue flavor, a great crunch, and we devoured it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Anne's Family Recipe, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked my barbecue Chex Mix today. I'm going to leave lots of other party food idea videos linked for you in the description box below. I have tons of dips and appetizer recipes that I think you will love. Thank you so much for joining me here in my kitchen, and I'll see you again soon with more family recipes.